This video is intended to provide an in-depth explanation for the business launch bonus opportunities. The business launch bonus is geared toward helping a new brand partner start their LifeWave business with some added motivation for quick action and engagement. This bonus is earned during the first 9 weeks of a brand partner's new LifeWave business. This includes the week of joining and the next consecutive 8 full weeks after enrollment. So what does a new brand partner need to do to earn the business launch bonus in those 9 weeks of eligibility? For any week the new brand partner qualifies with a paid rank of 1-star manager, they will receive $25. Any week the new brand partner qualifies with a paid rank of 2-star manager or higher, they will receive $50. This means that a new brand partner has a maximum business launch bonus opportunity of $450 if they qualify as a 2-star manager or higher for the first 9 weeks of business. But the new brand partner is not the only one that benefits from the business launch bonus. The enrolling brand partner also has the opportunity to earn a 50% match every week that their new brand partner earns the business launch bonus. So what does an enrolling brand partner need to do to earn their matching business launch bonus? It is just as simple as the requirements for the new brand partner. For any week that the new BP has a paid rank of 1-star manager, the enrolling BP must match or exceed that rank to earn the $12.50 match. The same holds true for any week the new brand partner qualifies as 2-star manager. The enrolling brand partner must match or exceed that rank to earn the $25 match. Any week a new brand partner qualifies with a paid rank above 2-star manager, the enrolling brand partner only needs to have a paid rank of 2-star manager to earn the $25 match. As an example, if my new brand partner has a paid rank of 1-star director, they will earn a $50 bonus that week. As the enrolling brand partner, in order to receive my $25 match that week, I need to have a minimum paid rank of 2-star manager. As an enrolling brand partner, you have the opportunity to earn a maximum of $225 on every new brand partner you personally enroll. Be sure to guide your new brand partners to success and help them build the foundation for a strong LifeWave business. This will reward both your new brand partner's commitment and your training and mentoring efforts through the business launch bonus. Everyone wins when leveraging the power of this bonus. Now that you understand the power of the business launch bonus and the rewards available to both new brand partners and those that enroll them, you can feel confident as you personally enroll or educate your teams about this bonus. Interested in some of the other unique earning opportunities in the compensation plan? See the breakthrough incentive video for further details on the rewards available for career title progression through the success pathway.